Hi guys, it's Leah with Gumball Properties. So one question we get a lot is, what does fully furnished mean? So our houses and apartments are fully furnished. And what this means is that we have basically everything in there. You just need to bring your own suitcase with your clothes. So let's dive a little bit deeper into what that looks like. When you come into the kitchen of a fully furnished apartment or house, you're going to have toasters, microwaves, all of your major appliances. You're going to have a coffee machine, coffee cups, silverware, plates, bowls, cups. And we like to provide, I think I talked before about coffee and tea. Sometimes we'll have some basic condiments in there, salt and pepper, kitchen towels, hot pad holders, cutting boards, sharp knives, basically everything that you could possibly need in a kitchen to be able to wake up and cook yourself a meal. A lot of times our units also have washers and we also like to provide some laundry detergent and sometimes some fabric softener sheets as well. So once again, so that you don't have to go too far to do your laundry. Some of our units also have laundry on site. If depending on the size of the apartment or the house, they might not have the laundry inside, but at least it's nice and close and it's still on site and you can feel safe to get there. So if you travel through a house and you come to the bathroom, we like to have toilet paper stocked in there, some shampoo and conditioner when you first get there, maybe some body wash and lotion, just so that you once again can take a shower in case there's anything you forgot in your personal toiletry items. We also have to have some artwork and some fun different things around, whether it's the bathroom, the kitchen, the bedroom, just kind of feel like home. We also have a full linen closet, so you're going to find extra sheets, you're going to find towels. A lot of times you'll find beach towels and stuff too, in case you go to, if there's a pool amenity or if there's a beach nearby. And then coming through to, let's say, a closet in the bedroom, you're going to have, sometimes there'll be a luggage rack, sometimes there'll be shelves. You're going to have hangers to go ahead and hang your clothes up and get comfortable. In the bedroom, there's going to be a comforter, tons of pillows, comfortable pillows, throw blankets. You're going to most likely have a dresser, some mirrors, a TV, everything once again to just feel like your home. Like you can put your clothes away and get nice and cozy. In the living room, we have a TV stand. Sometimes we have some books and some magazines, maybe some games, some more artwork on the walls, make it feel nice and cozy, throw pillows, throw blankets. In some of our units, we also have balconies or maybe there's decks. So there should be some chairs out there, a nice little place for you to have some coffee. If there is an outdoor space, then we'll have some of our units have some fire pits or some chairs so you can have some fun outside. Maybe there's a grill provided, either it's on the property or it'll be at the unit. And then some of our units also have amenities like a pool or a car care center where you can wash your car. I know that in one of the units we have also there's a pet spa on the grounds. So there's a lot of different amenities for depending on any location that you choose. And some are going to have some and some aren't. But really all you need to do is pack your suitcase, bring your clothes, your toiletries. If you're staying for 3, 6, 9 months, then make sure that you just have all the things that are going to make you feel comfortable. And then if there's something that you need or you forget, you can reach out to us and we can always help you either locate it or we can provide it for you when you get there. Just think of it as how we can help you with your home away from home.